Hello everyone. Hello my lovelies, my tiny tots. God bless you all. Again, your Charu ma'am, your English teacher, teaching you from the book English Reader Primer from Amit publication named Tiny Tots from Acknowledge series. See what is next? Oh, it's again the vowel sound. Oh, we already did three. We did three. A, E, I. We did three vowels. तो सबको समझ में आए थे vowels वो वाले. हम एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे. A, E, I, and now this is O. So you people, you children, tell me one word of each alphabet. We already did A sound word, right? So who's going to tell me one word of A sound word? Come on. कौन बताएगा मेरे को? I'm waiting. Please help me out, everyone. We are not in hurry कि भी हम करते जाएंगे sounds और मेरे बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आएगा. We have to learn. Every day we have to learn. ठीक है? तो बताओ A sound का एक word बताओ. Short sound. Yes, it's cat. One more. One, come on. Face. A sound word. F-A-C-E, face. Now, E sound word. Pen. Very good. And next, me. Me-E-O. Me. E sound word. I. Who's going to tell me one word of I? मेरे को नहीं आता. प्लीज आपको मुझे बताना है. Yes, it's pin. And one long sound word. This is short sound and this is long sound. Okay. And pin. I sound word. Pin. 3-letter word. And 4-letter words in long sound. Bike. Very good, children. Very good. So I hope you understood these three vowels very well. Now, what is next? It's sound O. Let's read. Now, it's a short sound O. Now, we have to repeat the phonetic sounds of these alphabets. A sound, I. E sound, A. It's very important, children. Try to understand. This part is very important for learning phonetic sounds. I sound, E. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं आज? O sound, AU. Top, top. Cot, cot. Dog, dog. Pot, cot, dot. Cop, mop, hop. God, rot, got. Rock, sob, mop. Jog, fog, lock. Okay, children? Now, long sound A, O. Bought, bought. Stove, stove. Comb, comb. Boat, coat. Goat, boat, coat, goat. Noon, boon, moon. Lock, cock, dock. Tool, fool, double O, fool, pool. Lock, mock, rock. Repeat again. Bought, caught, got. Moon, boon, moon. Lock, cock, dock. Tool, fool, pool. Lock, mock, rock. Now time for fun. Again, read aloud with me, please. Toys are in the box. Toys are in the box. A hot pot is on the cot. Toys किसके अंदर है? Box के अंदर. Both are O sound words. Toys and box. A hot pot, एक गरम घड़ा किस पर रखा है? On the cot. चारपाई पर. Cot. A hot pot is on the cot. Now read the given words and encircle them in the given sentences. ये तो मेरे बच्चे कर लेंगे, I know, क्योंकि हमने पहले भी वर्कशीट्स में ये करे हैं. I am a cop. I am a cop. He is a cop. So where is cop? There is cop. I have a pop. I have a pop. I loves to hop. I loves to hop. I can hop over the top. It has a mop. It has a mop. It can hop over the mop. It can hop and mop. Clear, children? Time for fun. Look at the pictures and complete their names by choosing the correct letters. Okay. So we have to choose the correct letter. I think which picture is this? You know, who's going to tell me which picture is this? Yes, it's dog. Very good, children. It's dog. I love you so much. I love you. God bless you all. You know the alphabets and phonics very well now. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Very good, children. Top. So which is correct? O-P. O-P, top. Very good. See, what is this? Is this ox or cow? C-O-W, cow. Yes. So what is next? Read the word and color the correct pictures. Children, we have to read the word and correct coloring picture. It's a fun time. So take out your colors from your bags. Come on. And we have to color the picture and make it colorful. So what is this? It's a mop and it's a watch. And M-O-P, mop. So we have to color the picture on in mop. Nicely you have to done this. Okay, complete it. This is dog. Which where is dog? Yes, here is dog. You have to color in this picture. Which color you want to color it? Yes, brown. Okay. Some want to fill the color with brown and some with black. Okay, no problem. It's your choice. Top. Which is top? This is top. This is top. Yes, this is top. And you have to fill the colorful colors. Red, green. Okay. And please complete it. So say excited for climb of another video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.